Ripple XRP's value has practically gone through the roof while you slept. It happened on Binance and several other platforms where XRP went above $4,855 before sales and withdrawals of XRP were quickly stopped on the exchange. We've seen this happen before on a large scale, but things have taken a huge turn after Binance publicly announced that they have temporarily stopped XRP withdrawals for maintenance. But it was clear it wasn't maintenance because the price of XRP on the exchange had gone through the roof and was now $4,855. This is despite the fact that the market cap for XRP being only 59 cents. The crazy thing is that price problems didn't just happen on Binance, they happened on many other platforms as well. And some people were able to sell because of them. Binance possibly got so scared that they stopped all trading and withdrawals on their platform. In fact, someone was able to sell XRP for $62,032, and other people bought it by mistake at that price. In fact, I was able to find a clip or image that shows that someone bought XRP for $62,032.90 and that other people then sold it at the same price. You might be able to see more than one sell exchange if I bring this down. If you were one of those lucky people, you made a huge amount of money just by selling or setting up a sell order for one person to hit $62,000. Even though it sounds crazy, the CEO of MasterCard has said that Ripple will replace SWIFT and that talks have already begun. To use the XRP ledger, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has offered to settle the lawsuit with Ripa Labs, and Graham Rodford is the CEO of Xrp, a global digital securities exchange. Rodford has said that trading volume for XRP in the XRP ledger could reach $30 to $50 trillion by 2025. Because of this, it makes sense that XRP's value could reach thousands, not tens of thousands. A lot of times I showed this clip, but it really shows that it's not just a few financial companies that are looking at prices and thinking that the long-term price of XRP will be between $10 and $35,000. For example, Jimmy Valley, the managing director of the Capital, put out a whole 1,042-second video talking about how XRP could be worth between $10,000 and $35,000 per coin after it is regulated, as well as after it's chosen as the world's bridge exchange. We're going to go into more detail about everything, including how XRP went from those low levels overnight to over $10,000 and then to over $5,000 on Binance in just a few seconds. But we're giving away a lot of XRP to you guys in partnership with metalcrypto.com, which is the only crypto clothing store where you can get the best clothes at the best prices. You can actually get your very own special Ripple XRP gold coin for less than $15 USD. Plus, if you use my coupon code FREE100, you'll get $10 off everything. In other words, you can now get the Ripple XRP gold coin for less than $5. It comes in gold or silver. If you use my code, you can even get a pair of casual XRP socks for just 87 cents. You can also get a lot of other really cool clothes, like an XRP fan case, these coats, XRP hats, and a lot more. They also have a lot of other really cool crypto clothes, like Solana Bitcoin clothing, Ethereum clothing, Linkcoin clothing, and Poki clothing. And Poki clothing jans me and a lot of other people because of this. I strongly advise that you look into them and seize this wonderful chance. Use my coupon code for a free $10 off your order to get some of the best deals on crypto clothing, as well as the cheapest jackets and other clothes you can find. I definitely think you should do it. You can see some of those gold coins and clothes that I own on my Instagram. For the code to work, make sure you click on the link in the description. Now let's watch the video. XRP has a history of having a lot of problems. No, that's a good thing. As you know, we've been reading a lot of stories that say those bugs we might think are just technical glitches are actually real problems. There are more and more things that aren't technical errors but real deals. Yes, a couple of years ago, or maybe even less than a year ago, XRP's market cap briefly soared to trillions of dollars on Gemini. This caused the price of XRP to rise to over $50. A lot of people thought at first that it was just a technology glitch, but in this case it wasn't. It was possible for people to buy and sell at that price, and it caused a huge supply shock that led to basically too many people bought XRP and not enough was available. This caused XRP's personal value to go off the charts, and it went up to over $50. Again, if you had jumped at the chance, you could have sold it for $50, made a lot of money, and been done with it. Everything that's ever been out there is in the 1.4 quadrillion market. You can see that all of those types of assets are already starting to move onto the blockchain. People are becoming more interested in money market funds, tokenized treasuries, and other similar products. Support for stablecoins is also growing. When you talk about replacing cash, I only need to see one of DTCC, Euroclear, or Clearstream to go fully digital. And that's trillions of dollars worth of assets that move up to, say, tens of trillions of dollars. Plus, this is only a tiny part of a very big market -1.4 quadrillion shares. $30 to $50 trillion worth of XRP are all traded on Xrp. There you have it, $50 trillion. Ripple Twitter will play the session again in 2 years. There are many ways to solve the problem, but one way is for the government to step in and make rules. But we know it's coming soon, right? In other words, I wouldn't be surprised if we were still in the middle of the SEC lawsuit in 3 months. Things are so bad around the world that I think we need an answer right away, like an XRP for quick cash flow as soon as possible. The question then is, okay, we've solved it magically, where does the cost go? It's not hard to guess that it's a large number. As a result, I believe it goes up right away to $10 or even $20. For me, the fact that there is a deal to be made is the wild card. That XRP could be used as a bridge currency between different types of fiat currencies and between central banks. It could be sold between central banks to change one type of fiat currency to another. In that case, it's back to what we were talking about before. It's got to cover most of the money. What you're seeing is an area where XRP would settle, agreed upon. This would happen right away, and each coin would be worth between $10,000 and $35,000. And, our lives might stay the same or change. I'm not sure. Most likely a little. Things really start to get interesting now. Because right now is the time to make a huge amount of money. The XRP record is the most important thing. Everything is on that page about XRP. It will also say something very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And you should always do your own study. Let's get right to the meat of the matter. The CEO of Xrp, a global digital market, said that $35 trillion will likely be able to be sent and received on the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger will be able to compete with MasterCard's cashback program starting August 1st. The crypto trading fund will start giving out prize CTF tokens as cashback on the XRP ledger. We're basically saying that XRP is taking the place of the current system in every way. XRP can now compete with SWIFT in the cashback mechanism and with MasterCard I'm looking at using the CTF token or the crypto trading fund structure. In other words, XRP can help people make payments. I did look into it, and you can find them at ctftoken.com, but it's the first blockchain-based framework for passive income rewards, which is really cool because it gives people the chance to earn 1% of every sell trade as passive rewards. That's not all the charts. Guys, take a look at these charts. They have made the exact same pattern that we saw before the breakout. Take a quick look at this. In the end, there is a rise followed by a downtrend, making a U shape. It goes sideways after that before it does another one of these U shapes. And of course, there will be a huge rise at the beginning. If you look at the candle, you'll see that there is already a green candle. We will, of course, do what we did. So it will move in a U shape, then sideways, and then back up. But the point is that we are about to hit a huge peak level, which will likely be even higher than the previous all-time high. Once more, the proof is very clear. In less than 4 hours, we'll be in the green, which is a great sign that we're about to go on a huge rise and then probably go on a retracement. In this way, you cut, stabilize, and then keep going up there. Of course, that's what we're looking at right now for the crypto trading fund in terms of the TA side of things. The overall supply is very low at just 120 million tokens. It's still very new because there are only 3,000 holders, and the possibility is pretty much the moon. Now that I've said all that, I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can get post notifications, share this video, and follow me on all of my social media sites like Twitter, Instagram, and Mumble. Links to all of them will be below. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.